Welcome to San Francisco. I'm Joanna Lily Wong, one of the developers here at 1350 Jones Street. This home is located in Nob Hill, one of the city's most prestigious neighborhoods. This is where all the railroad tycoons of the 1800s built their historic mansions. And this home is of that era. When we first saw this property, we knew we had to retain this beautiful facade. But we gave it a fresh look with cream paint and charcoal trim. We even preserved the original stained glass, which really sets the tone for the home. But as soon as you step inside, you know this house is going to be something different. This home was completely redesigned, and we made both horizontal and vertical additions. The house is well over 5,000 square feet and includes a garden and a deck. Here in the foyer, a dramatic tone is set with this beautiful honed marble floor and a sculptural staircase. I just love standing under it and seeing it curve all the way up to the skylight. We finished it in Venetian plaster, which accentuates that light and gives the whole thing a romantic glow. Off the foyer is this media and wine room, which is of course climate controlled and displays 260 bottles. We also have a wet bar with walnut millwork, but why not take your drink outside? Accordion doors open up to the serene garden. There's 30-foot tall bamboo for privacy and a perfect cutout view of the city. Now you might be wondering why this room is off the foyer rather than a traditional living room. This home is designed with a reverse floor plan, which means that the traditional common areas are on the top floor, which really takes advantage of the spectacular views. Let's head upstairs. The second floor has 3 of the 4 total bedrooms in the home. Each of these rooms is bright, airy, generously proportioned, and of course, styled to impress. The master suite takes up the entire 3rd floor and consists of bathroom, 2 huge closets, study, and this stunning bedroom. I mean, can you imagine waking up to these views every day? We added this cozy reading nook with gold grass cloth wallpaper. It's the perfect place to curl up with a book, especially when you've got a toasty fireplace going. The bathroom is the epitome of modern luxury with slabs of beautiful honed marble. And the vanity is plenty long, so nobody's going to be fighting over space. And I know I mentioned the 2 closets are huge, but these closets are a fashion lover's dream. In fact, I can't think of a dreamier master suite than this one. And now, at last, let's go to the top floor. Coming up here takes your breath away, and I don't mean from the stairs. The only word that can do justice to a view like this is wow. You can see Coit Tower, the Bay Bridge, downtown, and the water. But the best part is that these floor-to-ceiling glass sliders open all the way up. It literally puts the city at your feet. Everyone loves an open floor plan, which is what we did here. It's so conducive to social gatherings. But it's important in an open floor plan that each area has its own identity. What defines this warm and inviting living area is this gas linear fireplace surrounded by a honed marble slab and custom millwork. This steel dining table weighs over 600 pounds. We had to crane it into the house. But it's the perfect contrast to the custom white oak banquette that we built. This white oak continues right into the kitchen. I just love this waterfall island. I love how this vein continues from the counters down to the floor. Every surface has been paneled for a seamless finish. It's a kitchen that's a place to cook, gather, and celebrate. Because let's face it, if you live in this place, every day is a celebration. I hope you enjoyed exploring this modern take on a San Francisco classic with me. The result is a jewel in Nob Hill, one that offers luxury, convenience, and an unforgettable view.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?